we're back with a brand new video, and today what we're going to be doing is I
love that song.
Oh yeah.
Chicka chicka boom boom.
You're ruining everything. That's embarrassing.
You said I could be in it.
Yes, you are in it.
Yay.
Wait, no, you have to get. No, you're not in it right now because you have to get. Wait, you have to get right. Wait, you have to get right here, like in front of the camera.
Okay.
All right, now you're in the YouTube video. All right, so if I want the house, don't I need doors? I need doors, people. Oh, that's embarrassing. Oops, that's embarrassing. Are you serious? What the what? Okay. No. Oops.
I've never been in a
Oh. Oh, today's your lucky day.
I love Minecraft so much.
Me too.
Me too. Hello.
So how tall should my house be?
It should be upstairs. Have it upstairs.
I will. Dude, get off of my mouse pad. I hate when everybody crowds me. It's so dumb.
I just love Minecraft.
Patrick, do you want to be in my YouTube video?
Oh yeah. I'm already in it.
Wait, Patrick? Patrick's already been in one of my YouTube videos that I published.
So peace, son. This is Anthony with some of the best YouTubes Minecraft videos.
I have an awesome face cam up in here.
HP computers. Yeah, he got an HP computer. I got a Chromebook. I don't really think an HP computer is much different from a Chromebook, but I don't know. But
It's way different, actually.
I think that's what he said. But I love Minecraft. Yeah. So this is awesome stuff. So if you any kids don't know yet YouTube, I may think you should get off this for pro YouTubers only.
No, actually, Patrick, if anybody can watch this, actually.
I like pro YouTubers. I'm not even a YouTuber.
If you like this video, you have to subscribe.
Subscribe to the video so Anthony can be famous.
I got 2 more subscribers this past weekend.
Yeah, he got 1,000 subscribers total.
No, almost 300 subscribers.
Almost 300, I mean. I wish 1,000.
Yeah.
Now can I talk in the YouTube video, please?
Yes, you already just.
Face!
Okay.
Mr. Panda!
Oh my God. Nobody's gonna like this.
I already like it. And this is Mr. Puffy!
Oh yeah, hashtag Mr. Puffy.
Mr. Puffy! He can do a front flip, he can smack, ow! He can smack, 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 smack. He can kick, pow, pow. Oh, he can do everything. Puffy!
Would you stop, Patrick?
Puffy out. Hairstyle. I love Minecraft. I think this is going to be your biggest hit, son.
You already established that.
This is chicken, dude. Awesome.
I'm gonna publish this in 10 minutes.
Look up blue blob.
Ew, you're disgusting.
Is a blue blob? I don't know, but it must be so weird. Oh, yeah. How do you get blue blob? I never seen any of those. How do you get a blue blob?
Oh.
I really hadn't seen any of them.
I'm in the middle of a YouTube video right now. Are you serious? Well, guys, that was unexpected. I hope you liked this video. Are you serious? What?
Yes.
And if you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.